Hello guys, this is It's All About Cube and today we are going to see how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Happen to watch my first layer video, or if you don't know, you can check it out here or at the end of the video. After the completion of the second layer, our cube will look something like this, in which we have solved all the edges of the second layer in between of the centers. So let's see how we do that. Now we will take any edges that is in the bottom layer. Like there are two edges, yeah, orange and green, and red and blue. So first we will take this red and blue. Now now we have to match this red with its red center. Like uh, like this red, it's connected with its center, and we have to attach it, and we have to connect it, we have to insert here, but we cannot insert here because if we do like this, then we have messed our first layer, and we have to not mess it. So we will to insert it, I will teach you, and you can find algorithms here. So let's see. So first, we will move away this edge from this layer because it will come here. So uh, I will move this here. Then take down this layer, and move this layer again here. Now take then move this layer again back, and move. Now you can see, now you will see that um, we have removed this corner. So you know how to insert this corner, so you can do this. Let's like this. Now we will uh, uh, see another edge like this, uh, orange and green. So first step is to connect with this orange to orange center. So where is it here? So I can move this here. Now where is the green? Green is on the right side. Then move the edge to left side, and uh, uh, bring this at bottom layer at bottom. Then connect. Then again bring this here. Then move this upward. Now you will see our corner is has been removed. So you can again insert it, and see our edge have been inserted. So let's see now another one here. Now we have this orange and blue. So first step, we have to connect with this red. We have to connect it with the orange center. So where it is here. So we have connected. Now now our edges now our edges on the left side. So we have to move it on the right side, like, see, like it. Then you can downward. Then you have to move it down. Then again move it here, and upward. So you can see our corner is has been removed. So again you have to insert this corner, and you can see our edge has been inserted, and our all of the edges uh, have been solved. Sometimes there is a case where our edge is misoriented or flipped in its own place. So to solve this, to fix this case, we will use the help of our yellow edges. So we have to do simply like this, but first we will remove this on the uh, s- bottom layer. Then we will insert it again. So uh, so uh, so let's see. Imagine that this is the red and blue edge, and we have to connect it with here. So you know how to do that. Same will do this. Move it away from this layer, then move this layer down, then again come then again move this layer, and you can see our corner has been removed. So you can again insert it, and now you can see our edge has been removed from its own place. So you have to again connect the red with its center, like this. Then you have to connect this. So move this edge from here, away from this. Now bring this down, then connect it here, and again see, you can see our corner has been removed. So you can again insert it. So see, our second layer has been completed. In our next video, we will learn how to solve the last layer or third layer of the Rubik's Cube. Then our cube will be solved completely. So wait for my next video. You have any problem, question, or if you didn't understood anything, you will comment right now. If you understood how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube, so please like my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also, and press the bell icon so you will never miss my notifications of the next videos. And follow me Instagram. Also you can check my website, also you can check my blog in the description box. Wait for my next video, and till then, goodbye.